Last Thursday? Without someone new.
Uy! Isa ka no?
Okay
lang dato katungkuan ni Kyle. Pasar to siya, okay ra. Pero pag si,
Yes. We're not dropping any names so that we don't cause issues. How do you feel?
ako, hindi ko masugot kasi bakoy.
Yeah, I also don't like it. Anyway, depends though, depends. How do you feel for the transferring?
Sila, murag, kanang okay na siya, kanang murag, i-welcome nga, and then, murag kung balain ka may kay murag siya, joiners, yes, well, okay naman.
Yeah.
Good luck na lang siya ha, I guess, murag ko ikaiwan siya, good luck to our future classmates.
Yes. I hope you don't cause any issues or like drama because we've had enough. Guys, how do you feel about the upcoming transferee? How do you feel?
Yes, depends on who you are.
Fuck you!
She does not care.
Well, yeah.
I did not care for the Godfather. What? That's a joke.
Whoever you are, I hope dili ka
I hope you don't go bald. Basta yahan at say na.
Okay, go Sai.
What? Whoever you are, I hope you don't, you mind your own business because you don't care about it.
Feel ako mag-iba siya punish.
You're 3 years.
And I hope you shut the fuck up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Don't
hope-
get in our way because we will fuck you up.
Yeah. How do you feel about the youth transferring?
Paano ko eh?
Okay, I feel bad because feel ako
Why,
toxic na kayo may
4 years ba? I mean, ay, almost 4 years.
yun.
Almost 4 years. Tapos mukha daw siyang insert sa last year, no? So,
Mura siya kanagong ni-insert pag kalit ka na kanong kagwaan babulak kinadugay
siya ang
ni
niya, oh.
siya ang last even though na fully blown na siya pero like ni at doon sa Lain Garden like which is our garden. Hindi siya acceptable. I don't even know why they did that. Do you
Hello.
feel about the upcoming transfer?
50% sad, 50% happy.
Yeah. Kaya kay personalan na nga question. How do you feel? About the...
other terms of
About sa?
Yan na lang. Sa transfer. Transfer.
Another question about that. Be serious with your life and please don't maliit STE because it's really not easy.
What if magkuan siya, maingon siya nga, may simple naman din yung STE, sige, wala siya ka-feel sa, sa kalisod sa grade 7.
We will fuck him up. We will fuck him up.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yo, 3 years back. 3 years late, bitch.
Umuluwag bayot.
Tor, liyo po
This is our last day on Earth.
Hey guys, kita natin. Paminawa ang tingog.
I miss you, I miss you, I miss you, I miss you.
Diba?
Transition na lang ini. Paminawang tingog. Oo.
Mahila na ito guys.
Magkaon sa ubay, pwede magkaon Kim.
There's a handsome shit inside us. Ayaw, imunaw mo. Ayaw, no. Fine sheep. Fine sheep. Fine choy. Ito kita mo.
Saan tabot niya?
Gani. Biyaan ko sa akong crush, guys.
Pwede na mo ulit.
Buang-buang tinail ko. Kim. 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 Okay ra, dili na siya magsabatas.
Saka na sa mas. Dili ko na makapisa siya.
Say hi to my YouTube.
Hi guys.
Guys, kay humana ang amo ang duty nga. Ngamo ang... Oh my God! She's touching my ass! Don't touch her. Oh nga. Ala. Diyan mo. Outfit. Fit check. Wait. Fit fucking check. This is my bag.
Ano kaya mo?
My bag. What?
Like,
Ah! Patol-patol pa kasi kamay kay ka. Ikuan ko baby, dihi ko baw. Ana ah. Na. This is my outfit guys. This is my bag. Asa naman ang kamera? This is my bag and this is my outfit and this is my shoes.
Fit check, fit check.
Fit check, fit check, fit check.
Kalo yan? Boy, gutom
Fit check.
kayo.
Balenciaga.
How much?
Ano? 100 plus
magdali na
pesos.
20 bilbi.
Una ning last Thursday nga wala ni api sa mo.
Ay, papo ko siya ito pa usan.
Kung igit yung api sa mo. Going home. Uncle, we're serving here. Oh shit. Una, Job. Okay, para ako'y mamatay una pag mahulog tanin yung tanan. DIY ko ba yung may lahi mo ya. Hindi ko sa likod eh. Oh my God, this is so safe right over here.
Katag-katag yun na yan. Ang uban mo siya ginapanaog na yung mga walang mga boat na mga driver. Tapos sa hero kasi mga naman.
Bye! Bye, Tay! Bye!
Alangan ko na pa. Pag DIY ko, DIY ko.
Call, yun ang DIY call.
Bullshit ay mo call.
Di man ko purog shit eh. May kaholik, mangkukol.
Wala din ko. Ilong sa ube. Tay sa kudya. Ah, kakuin si Ben.
Sabi kaholik, karapang sa Kuan Central.
Purok size yung relocation na ulit.
Yeah, kung na-confuse na kaya, sorry.
Para paano na yan? Ba't na balik-balik?
May kaholik ko.
Hi sa kuan sa kanang transferee. I hope makasmit amigo ka ni Kyle. Yes. Murag ikaw na mo ganang ka-vibe na mo. Or I don't know. Basta dili unta ka ng si you know who.
Yes.
You already know who you are, I guess. Ayaw na to tarong mo exam ha.
One of these days, magkatawa na ulit sa mga preparation of
We're going home later, I think. Look at my hair, guys.
Sana all, Pilipino sa department ng Ma'am Rhea Abadjes, asa na daw ka nakita si Ma'am Excel Balinas.
Balik!
Ikaw.
Ma'am Rhea Abadjes, ano na daw na rin